about a constitutional amendment to ban.
You know, think about this. The world's going to Hades in a handbasket, and we're going to debate the next 3 weeks, I'm told, gay marriage and God only knows what else. I can't believe the American people can't see through this. We already have a law, the Defense of Marriage Act, where we've all voted, not where I voted and others said, look, marriage is between a man and a woman, and states must respect that.
The cigarette. It's cancer. The cig. Don't put your fucking... Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Drop yours. Put it... Ain't no doing that. Let it go. I'm Tyrone.
You stupid.
What the fuck you doing? Oh, Tyrone. Fuck all that goddamn smoking shit. No fucking cigarette. Fuck that cancer shit, man. Fuck you looking at old Wesley Snipes looking motherfucker. I just saved your fucking life. Fuck all that. I'm Tyrone, and fuck this Black Panther. Fuck all that smoking shit.
You stupid.
Fuck all that.
Bruh.
I'm Tyrone, and fuck this fake ass Build-A-Bear looking motherfucker. Fuck all that goddamn smoking shit. What the fuck is you doing, huh? Go ahead. Go ahead. Bet your big ass tired, ain't it? That goddamn smoking shit. That goddamn smoking shit.
Bruh.
I'm Tyrone, and fuck these fucking juvenile delinquents, motherfucker, man. What my ass, man? You smoking that goddamn cancer shit? What's up? Fake ass.
You stupid.
You do smoke cigarettes, man. I saw your goddamn ass.
I'm just tired of all this bullshit. This ain't real. She just text me wanna meet me at platform 불착장에 템바이 먹히니까 난 병문진 so baby please.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.
Okay.
You? Absolutely.